I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making Thanksgiving turkeys and Pilgrim hats. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Tonight we're not really making candy. We're going to take store-bought treats and combine them to make some super cute edible Thanksgiving decorations, party favors, place settings, whatever you want to use them for. I got the idea for these from my daughter, who not only taught me how to make them, but is serving as cinematographer tonight. Thanks, baby girl. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Thanksgiving treats, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For the hats, I'm using peanut butter cups, chocolate chips, Keebler Fudge Stripe cookies, and yellow and white icing. For the turkeys, I'm using peanut butter cups, chocolate chips, yellow, white, and red icing, candy corn, double stuffed Oreos, malted milk balls, and candy eyes. I'm also using a spreader, some piping bags, and a toothpick. Okay, let's make some candy. I'll start with the hats because they're pretty simple. Melt the chocolate chips, spread some on the widest part of a peanut butter cup, and attach it to the back of the fudge stripe cookie. Using the yellow frosting, pipe a buckle on the hat. Using the white frosting, pipe a band around the hat. Make the band as wide or narrow as you like. And that's it for the hats. Now onto the turkeys, which require a little more effort. Cut off the white part of the candy corn. This will be the turkey bill. Separate some Oreos to use as a base for your turkeys. Dip the edge of an unseparated Oreo into the melted chocolate and attach it to the edge of your base. Place it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to allow the chocolate to set. Spread some chocolate on the widest part and on one side of a peanut butter cup. And attach it to the base and back cookies. Spread some chocolate on the top of the peanut butter cup and the back cookie, and attach a malted milk ball. Return it to the refrigerator for another 10 minutes. Put a little chocolate on the candy corn beak, and attach it to the malted milk ball. Hold it for a few seconds until the chocolate starts to set. Insert some candy corn between the two halves of the back cookie to serve as tail feathers. Be careful not to insert them so far that the cookie halves separate or break. I'm using double stuffed Oreos to provide a little more room for the feathers. Combine some yellow and red icing to make orange, then pipe it onto the base to give your turkey some feet. Use some of the red icing to create the waddle, also known as a dewlap. Put a little chocolate on the back of the eyes and attach them to the malted milk ball. Hold them for a few seconds until the chocolate starts to set. And that's it. This is the part of the episode where I would normally taste the featured treat, tell you how great it tastes, and that you really ought to try it. Tonight, though, as CEO and president of Randy Makes Candy, I'm going to give these turkeys a pardon. But if you want to make some really cute Thanksgiving treats, you really ought to try these. I'd also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude for all the blessings I've received, especially my family and friends, the country in which I live, and you, my compadres. I'm thankful for you. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'm using double stuff Oreos to but if you want to make some